take a sum. Question number 6 we will take first of all. Question number 6. Determine the best act for the following payoff matrix by applying Maximin, Maximax principle, Hurwitz principle, where alpha is given 0.4 and then the last one is Laplace principle. Okay, so start. First two lines for the act. Then 1, 2, 3, 3 are act. Then maximum, minimum and average. Four acts are given: act A1, A2, A3 and A4. Events are given: S1, S2, S3. After then, choose maximum, minimum and average. First A1 10, 5, -3, 6, -2, 7, 3, 4, -1, -2, 8 and 6. Question number 6. All the four formulas we have to apply in this sum. First, maximum number. Out of this A1, maximum is 10, so write down 10 there. In this maximum is 7, write down 7. In this 4 is maximum, write down that. 8 is maximum, write down that. Then minimum. Minimum is -3, -2, -1 and again -2 is there. Then average. 10, 5, 15, -3, 12 and total is 3, 1, 2, 3. So 4 will be there. 6 and 7, 13 -2, 11. 11 will be divided by 3. 3.67. Then 3 and 4, 7 -1, 6 will be divided by 2. 8 and 6, 14 -2, 12. 3 4s are 12. Now, according to the Maximin principle, which is the maximum in this line of maximum, which is the maximum number. So 10 is maximum. In this, which is maximum, the least value in minus is called maximum. सबसे छोटी संख्या जो माइनस में होती है उसको उतनी ही बड़ी बोला जाता है, और माइनस में जितनी बड़ी संख्या होगी वो उतनी छोटी कही जाएगी. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट लीस्ट नंबर इज कॉल्ड द मैक्सिमम. सो -1 इज द लीस्ट नंबर हियर, दैट इज द maximum. Average, the maximum is 4. Here is also 4 and here is also 4. Okay, now we will write down our answers. Which principle is there? Maximin principle. So according to Maximin principle. According to Maximin principle, it means minimum में से मैक्सिमम A2, मिनिमम -3 यानी A3 इज देयर, तो A3 इज द बेस्ट एक्टर. Why? Because it has the maximum value. It has the maximum value out of minimum payoffs. Now second one, Maximax principle. It means maximum में से maximum we have to choose here. Maximax principle. According to this principle, which is A1, मैक्सिमम में से मैक्सिमम, सो A1 इज देयर, तो A1 10 है, वो कहाँ से चूज़ किया हमने, A1 में से चूज़ किया, तो A1 विल बी मैक्सिमम बेस्ट प्रिंसिपल. सो A1 इज द बेस्ट एक्टर. क्यों है? बिकॉज इट हैज़ द मैक्सिमम वैल्यू आउट ऑफ मैक्सिमम पे ऑफ्स. जितने भी मैक्सिमम पे ऑफ्स थे उसके अंदर ये सबसे हाईएस्ट वैल्यू रखता है, इसलिए इसको हमने चूज़ किया इन द मैक्सिमैक्स प्रिंसिपल. नाउ थर्ड, लाप्लास प्रिंसिपल. Actually in your question that is 4th number, but I am writing here 3rd number. Laplace principle. Numbers doesn't matter, the name will not be changed there. Laplace principle it means average. Highest value is A1 and A4. Highest value has A1 and A4 act. So I will write down there. According to the Laplace principle, A1 and A4 are the best actor. Because they have the maximum values out of average payoffs. Now at last what we need to calculate Hurwitz principle. So Hurwitz principle, how it can be calculated? So just see there. Hurwitz principle. So for the Hurwitz principle we have to put down a formula alpha. Without alpha the Hurwitz principle cannot be calculated. Maximum principle, maximum payoff plus 1 minus alpha minimum payoff. Okay, now for A1 अल्फ़ा की वैल्यू हमको दी हुई है बुक के अंदर 0.4. अल्फ़ा इज गिवन 0.4. सो राइट डाउन अल्फ़ा 0.4. 1 माइनस अल्फ़ा, तो अल्फ़ा इज इक्वल टू 0.4. So 1 minus alpha is equal to 1 minus 0.4 and you will get there 0.6 directly. So put down this 0.6 in the place of 1 minus alpha. A2 0.4, 0.6, A3 0.4, 0.6, A4 0.4, 0.6. डन. तो मैक्सिमम पे ऑफ उसका क्या होगा? तो मैक्सिमम पे ऑफ हमारे एक के अंदर लिखा हुआ 10 और मिनिमम भी उसकी जस्ट नीचे लिखा हुआ -3. तो हम वहीं से कॉपी करके लिखेंगे. ए के लिए लिखा है प्लस का 10 माइनस का 3. A2 के लिए लिखा है 7 - 2, मैक्सिमम 7 मिनिमम -2. A3 के लिखा है 4 and -1, so 4 and -1. A4 के लिखा है 8 and -2. 10 4 जा 4 प्लस माइनस माइनस 6 3 जा 18. 2.2. 7 4 जा 28 minus 1.2 1.6. 4 4 जा 16 minus 0.6 1. 4 8 जा 32 minus 6 2 जा 12. It means 2. Which is the highest number in this? So 2.2 is the highest number for which act? For A1. So according to Hurwitz's principle, A1 is the best act because it has the maximum value out of calculated payoffs. Okay, so this was our question number 6. In this, our 4 basic formulas are solved here. If you have any query in this sum, you can ask me.